Good morning, everybody. It is a nice morning here in Texas right now. It's just right at sunrise. The sun's just starting to rise there above the tree line. And man, it's nice to get out while it's still early and cool and get your day started. And I'm down here hopefully for my final day at the house that we've been working on. So on this rehab, I am not going to be doing a full out finish out and showing y'all the grand finale, because I sold the house as it is. It's an as is contract, and in fact they had told me that I could even stop the work before we continued on with the texture and everything. But I'd already made agreement with the guys that came here and worked. We'd already had a set price for doing all that. I felt a little obligated to follow through with them on that. So I told the people, look, we'll finish at least what we started that I'm obligated with these guys on, and then we'll stop from there. So we agreed on that. They came here, they've already looked at the house. It's already met their expectations. And so now it's just a matter of waiting on a closing date. I think the title companies, it's in their hands now. They're doing the title work and stuff on it. Well, it's about maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, man, it is hot again already. And the shade's all gone on that side. We had to take our big tarpaulin down because the wind kicked up for a little while and it started whipping it real hard and it tore one corner on it, unfortunately. But now there's no shade there and it is mega hot. We got a little progress there on it. We're not done. Handrail's far from done. I did get the staircase put back in place, and we got part of the decking up here on it, and we got some 2x4s to change down at the other end. Well, this is it. This is all we're doing to this house. No, it's not painted. No, it's not a finished out rehab. This is as far as I needed to go on it. No kitchen cabinets installed, countertop not in. Just finished to the point that you see it. This is it. It's all the repairs done and the texture sprayed everywhere and all the places it was patched and repaired. Yep, no doors back, no paint back, no finishing, no flooring, no baseboard. Because I sold it as is. They are going to finish it themselves, which is exactly why I didn't want to paint it. Let's say I paint it some color and it's a totally different color than what they want. You just wasted your time and paint. And the thing is about these people, they understood and agreed with that. Or what about flooring? We choose some kind of flooring and they want something totally different. So I left the pad down so it catches all the mess and the paint and the dripping. So when you rip the pad up, you got a clean floor underneath there pretty much to work with. So this is it. This is all I have to do for this. And we're just about done out here. on the deck. Got it rebuilt, the little side deck here, and they're going to finish up on the hand railing and putting those boards down right now. No dramatic finish of this totally finished out rehabbed house. All I need to do was fix the worst damage, which was down there on the siding and that deck outside, and fix all the holes that was bad on the walls here, and make the texture all match, like that wall there and a couple downstairs. We floated out and retextured with matching texture to the rest of the walls. Those had that ugly trowel finish on it, and I never had anybody that come here that would say, oh, I like that trowel finish. Nobody liked it. It looked really gaudy. So that's it. I had to spend very minimal to have this house to be ready to sell, and it's already sold. Contract's already signed on it. Contract's already signed on another house that I had to spend not even one red penny on, nothing. I had a very good renter there as far as taking care of my property. She was behind on the rent, but she took care of my property. Took care of it really nice. Super clean inside, super clean outside. I knew I was going to sell it, and that's why I didn't rock the boat with her and kick her out, because it was worth it to me to actually still have her in there, even though she was behind on her rent. She kept the property secure, safe, clean, kept up with, and that has some value in it itself. She's a real nice lady. She's just struggling. I actually like her. She's a nice woman, and you know, that there's a little moral right there in life, right there. You know, you can be struggling and you can be having a hard time in your life, but if you show respect and like taking care of my property, being civil, being nice, you know, and trying, you know, she would give checks. It wasn't always her complete rent, but she always gave something. So it wasn't like she just wasn't paying nothing every month. She's paying something, but she was struggling, and I knew that. Now I gave her notice that she's going to have to move, and you know, it was hard on her. It was a little shocking to her, but she understood, and she's seen it coming. And I talked to the people that bought the place, and they said, you know, if she's nice and doesn't like cause a lot of trouble or anything about leaving, that they would go ahead and give her 30 days to get moved. So once the closing and stuff's done. So that's very nice of them as well. So as I'm saying, there's a lesson to be learned right there. You can have a hard time and be struggling, but the difference how people are going to help you is whether you're doing right or doing wrong. And she was doing right, so you know, she's not getting treated harshly, and that's better for me. It's better for her. It's better for everyone. Well, there it goes. Sold the old cattle trailer. It's out of here. I tell you, the odd thing about that, how things get old but still have a value, is that trailer right there sold just now for almost the same price that it was built and bought for brand new years ago when my dad had that thing built down at a trailer company. That's just crazy.